In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file in Zoho CRM. Importing data properly is one of the most important things you can do when you're setting up or cleaning up your CRM, so I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain what each choice actually means, so you don't accidentally overwrite or duplicate records. First, start inside Zoho CRM and go to the module where you want the data to live. This might be leads, contacts, accounts, or any other module you use. Just click on the tab for that module at the top of your screen. Make sure the data in your Excel file actually belongs in that module. For example, don't import company data into the leads module if it really belongs in accounts. Once you're on the module's homepage, look towards the top right corner for the import option. Click Import and then choose the option that says Import followed by the module name, or Import Records from File, depending on what you see. This is what tells Zoho that you're bringing in a spreadsheet rather than typing things in manually. Next, upload your file. You can drag and drop your prepared Excel file directly into the window or click the Browse button to find it on your computer. Make sure your file is clean first, no extra header rows, and each column clearly labeled. Once you've selected the file, click Next to move on. Now you'll define your import options. If your organization uses multiple layouts in that module, choose the layout that matches the kind of records you're importing. This controls which fields are available. Then, choose the Import action. You can add records as new, which imports everything and skips anything that already exists based on a unique field you'll define in a moment. You can update existing records only, which means Zoho will look for matches and only update those without adding anything new. Or you can choose both, which adds new records and updates existing ones at the same time. Think carefully here. This choice affects whether you create duplicates or safely update your data. You can also optionally assign ownership or tasks during import. For example, you can map a column in your file to the record owner, apply assignment rules, or create follow-up tasks automatically so nothing falls through the cracks. On the next screen, Zoho will try to automatically map the columns in your file to the corresponding CRM fields. Review these mappings carefully. If anything is unmapped or mapped incorrectly, use the drop-down lists to select the right Zoho field for each column. This is where you make sure that, for example, email addresses go into the email field and not into something random. Finally, review your import summary. Check the module, layout, import action, and field mappings one more time. When everything looks correct, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process the file and send you a notification when it's complete, often with a quick summary of how many records were imported, updated, or skipped. And that's it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into Zoho CRM.